Hey, it's your girl, she is Melrose. If you're not a sub, subscribe to that channel. You know where the button is. Today we're gonna do a simple look. As you could tell, I'm playing with my new makeup. I got some freebies and I supported a small business. Shout out to my homegirl Amani. Her daughter and her sister did a beautiful collection, making sure my lip gloss is popping. That's what I know is Belle Melange Beauty. And it comes with this really cool lighting. As you see later on, I get really excited about that. The freebie I did get is from L'Oreal. It's a 24-hour fresh powder wear. This is the first powder I have used in a minute because I'm more of a liquid foundation girl. But this is setting and it feels very airy. It doesn't feel like I have too much product on. So maybe I am gonna make a switch. We'll see. The whole simple makeup look was actually inspired by this palette I received from Buxom. It's the White Russian palette. And it took me back when I first started doing makeup and I literally have no clue what I was doing. And it told me step by step what each powder base is. So I decided, you know what? It's been a while since I actually followed a step by step. And I gave it a try, and this is the final result.
Okay, let's get started with the makeup. If you guys been following me for a while, you know these two are my go-to. I start with the HD concealer from Black Radiance, and then I follow through after concealing the brows with Maybelline Tattoo Studio Eyebrow Pomade. After concealing my brows and my eyelids, I prime my face using Neutrogena's primer.
This L'Oreal foundation is full coverage with a natural matte finish. Provides no transfer, also benefits which is waterproof, sweatproof, and heatproof.
After using the powder foundation, I'm grabbing the concealer again, and now I'm going for my dark circles. Then I put the Revolution Fake Powder right on top.
Buxom White Russian is a cheek and eye palette and is limited edition. I was trying to create swatches, but the color itself is not very pigmented and a bit chalky. However, I did want to create looks with my new product, so I went with it anyways.
Now that my under eyes are officially baked, I set it with the Anastasia setting powder. This mascara is also a new product, and we'll get into the details in a bit. Now that we're all done, set the face with the e.l.f. setting spray.
last but not least, the final new makeup I'm trying is LA Colors Bolding Lash Mascara. I've been using a lot of falsies lately, but since we're doing an old school step-by-step look, I decided to do no falsies. And I actually got this for free from Belle Melange Beauty. She gave me an extra goodie in the bag. That's the beauty about a lot of small businesses, myself included. I always try to add a little freebie for my appreciation of you guys supporting us. So if you're doing anything of the month of January, continue supporting small businesses. If you want to check any new items that I got in the description box below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Until next time, bye chica. Mwah.